Hello everyone, my name is Omobolale Afolashade Adedeji. I'm from Ibadan, Nigeria. I am a data enthusiast and I love making positive impact in the life of women and youth. I am applying for the 2025 Women Techstars Fellowship with focus on the data science and engineering track. I am available and fully prepared for this 1 year long fellowship. I am available both physically and mentally. I am available mentally because for some time now I have been watching different YouTube videos to familiarize myself with the tools used in the data analytics world. I have been familiarizing myself with tools such as Excel, Power BI, and SQL, which I'm sure would aid and make my learning journey quite easy if selected into this fellowship. I am also physically prepared because I have access to unlimited internet and I also have a good laptop that will enable me to participate fully on the in the fellowship and then allow me to do all my assignments while on this journey. I'll be super grateful if I'm selected for this fellowship simply because the knowledge I will gain will enable me to scale my business because I'll be making data driven decisions. And this same thing I will use to assist businesses in my community, especially women led businesses in my community. I would also be stepping down the knowledge for girls in my community, especially out of school girls in my community. This will enable them to be empowered and then they can make income for themselves. I am an ideal candidate for this fellowship simply because I love data and I would love to scale my business by making data driven decisions while also assisting a lot of people in my community, both women and girls. I hope with this video I get selected for the fellowship. Thank you so much, Women Textiles, for the opportunity to even apply for this fellowship. Bye.